Here's how to install a Rain-X Ready Match conventional blade on a Bayonet type arm. After you've removed the old wiper blade, make sure the wiper arm is up or in the service position. Finally, rotate the back part of the adapter outward. Insert the end of the wiper arm through the opening above the tab on the back of the adapter. Tug on the blade to make sure it's properly fastened and lower the arm gently onto the windshield. You are now ready to outsmart the elements with Rain-X Ready Match conventional blades.